welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a how to straighten your hair, how to make sure that it looks sleek and straight. I feel like it took me a long time to achieve a hair sleekness that I'm happy with. I used to always straighten my hair and it would always get like wavy or it looked like a blowout type, but why isn't it 100% sleeky straight like Courtney Cox's hair? Like, have you seen her hair? Like, her hair is super always sleek, pin straight, and I've always loved it. I got some tips from F.A.Q's video. She has a video similar explaining how she gets her hair to be pin straight sleek. And honestly, it's true about just taking your time, you guys. Taking your time on your hair, making sure that you are pressing that flat iron through your hair nice and slowly. Making sure that your hair flattening iron is, you know, not too old, not too beat up where it's like messing up, pulling your hair, burning your hair. We don't want anything of that. Making sure that you're protecting your hair, keeping it nice and protected. It's gonna make sure that your hair keeps growing, that it's nice and shiny. So definitely don't forget any of that stuff. If you guys want to see how I get my hair like this, nice and sleek and straight, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so starting off with my hair looking like this. This is my air dried hair, completely just natural air dried. Now I'm going to go in with this 5-in-1 leave-in spray. This is a conditioner. It says it conditions and detangles. So this is also for like a heat protecting spray. I actually saw this one at my local H-E-B and I was like, ooh, this sounds really nice. And I know this brand kind of reminds me of the Moroccan oil brand. Spray, a heat protecting spray, a conditioning spray, something is always needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my ends. Smells so good, like citrusy and clean. Just gonna spray my hair. I like to use is a wet brush. So we're just gonna go ahead and brush in all of our products. I used to not take doing my hair seriously. It's kind of like go quickly through it and then I'd wonder why my hair never stayed straight and silky and flat. And now that I do all these steps, like my hair looks the way it needs to be looking. Taking your time, make sure that you like really take your time combing through your hair, combing out those tangles. I like to use a smaller one. This is like a 1 inch. It's easier to be more precise. You have to make sure that your plates actually close all the way through. I used to have a straightener that would literally close like this and it's like, girl, it was time to go. If your straightener is pulling your hair, it's time to go. This is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium straightener. I got mine at Ulta and I really like it. I like that the sides are smooth, so if you want to do a curl, you can also curl your hair with it. I used to do the mistake of just grabbing like big chunks of my hair like this and just going over it, you know, thinking if I went over it a couple of times, like 2-3 times, that it was gonna stay straight. No girl, we can't do that no more. So really I like to start from the back and I go in with smaller sections and I make sure that I get the roots and I come all the way down slowly though, not too fast. We want the plates to actually flatten out the hair, you know what I'm saying? And then I kind of let it cool off and I go in one more time at the roots. Always like to go through and brush it out as well. It's really about going slow, you guys, and letting the iron do its job at flattening the hair. This section of my hair is straight. I like to go in the whole thing or as much hair fits, honestly, and just kind of go one last time, combing through it with a brush, just because I feel like it keeps everything smooth and silky and not free, and just easier to hold the hair for longer because it's not burning your hands. Hey. You. Cute. Say hi, guys. Say it right there at the camera. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. The last section, which is the top section. You can see the difference, you guys. This one's way more flat, and this one obviously has a lot of frizzy going on. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this side, and I'll be back. I'm gonna show you how I finish off my hair, make sure that it lasts me at least a sleek straight look like this at least 3 days. 2 days for sure, but I notice the longer it goes like this, the sleeker it gets because of my oily scalp. But for sure for 2 days, it's going to look really, really nice. So let me go ahead and finish this other side, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so now that I went ahead and went through my hair a couple of times, now that it's completely straightened all over, I did run through it a few more times. If the light keeps changing, you guys, I'm sorry. My son is turning on and off the light switch. Stop, Papa, stop. I have gone through it a couple of times. So again, the last thing I suggest is taking your time with your flat iron, making sure that you're really going through it and that all the sections are as flat as possible. So just take your time, go through your hair a couple more times. That's what I like to do. And then lastly, the last thing I will go in with is this Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I like to put this all over my hair just to give me a more shiny look. I always get a lot of you babes telling me that my hair looks super shiny in my pictures, and I have to say it has to be this because I've used this for years, you guys. I wanted to get this video up for you guys. You are always asking me about my hair and about how I keep it silky smooth. I can add in my Paul Mitchell serum. So I do about 2 squirts, put it all over my hands. Then I just start putting it at the end of my hair. Just make sure that all those ends that tend to look dry and brittle, so they don't look that way. And then whatever is left, I like to come up here and kind of just smooth out all of my flyaways and baby hairs. And then lastly, you guys, if I'm gonna be taking pictures that day, if I'm going on a dinner date, if we're going out, add in a little bit of hairspray, a humidity blocking hairspray. So anything that has to do with humidity, because here in Texas and Houston we have so much humidity. So definitely, if you're a person that has hair like mine, more like wavy texture, definitely try something like this. This is the first time I've ever tried this brand, OGX hairsprays. I just do it at the top just to like make sure that the flyaways are under control and it looks nice and sleek. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.